We're finally back with the Bronco. We park it for the winter and drive it when it gets nicer out. And today, guys, we're gonna be changing our headlights. We're gonna get rid of the halogen, which for the year isn't bad, but I mean, modern day, it doesn't do really anything at night. All right, here's what we're working with, guys. AUXBEAM LED headlights. They already opened it, but you guys see, you get a little sticker, you get the instruction manual. I was taking a look at that already just to see what I gotta do. And look at these. It's pretty simple, guys, for the basic function of these lights. Now, all you need to do is plug it in, but you see we have multiple stuff. This is for your turn signal, and this is for your daytime running light. I think that would look wicked. So this is your DRL, and then when you turn your signal on, that's your blinker. I think it'll be super aggressive up front. Little modern day tech on the old girl. You got your gloves, guys, MJ gloves. And then you also got different pigtails, different adapters, a bunch of connectors. It actually comes with everything you should need, which is great, because I was just thinking what I'm going to do to make this work. You got your splitters, you got wires, like that's a sweet setup. Great looking lights. Thank you so much to AUXBEAM. They also gave me a sick hat. You know, I'm putting that on right now. So we're going to start with these two screws right here to take off the cover. And then we should be able to get at those ones and then actually get the light out just like that. That's why working on old vehicles, guys, is the way to go. Don't want to scuff my cover. It's the one rule. One, two. Boom. This whole thing just comes out like that, baby. We got 4 screws that actually hold the light in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just take those off. So simple, guys. That's why I love old rigs. Do this on my 2023 Chevy, I'd be here for 4 days. There we go. Just like that. Now we got the connector. Make sure I don't lose this screw. Right on the back here. Connector. Pull that off. Boom. We're just going to plug this in and see if it works. That's the first course of the plan here. Okay, so it's in. Now that's just our light. So we should have our high beam and low beam. And nothing else. Boys and girls. Those are some beams, man. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, got the middle going now. Holy smokes. Again, a little comparison for you guys. They're like the exact same. Oh, I'm excited, guys. 2 screws on that. Boy, we should all still be driving these, man, I swear. I would take this over my new truck any day of the week. They all got new outlets for everything, so put it over there, like that. This extra wire, guys, just clutch, because you just plug this into the light, then you have some extra room to run it. All right, guys, so I'm just putting this in. Actually, the factory bolts, it's all flush and fits up great. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually install this. Okay, so these are the wires that we're working with. I got a play I want to try here, guys. I'm gonna slide this down into the blinker on and see what happens. Let's give that a shot. It's hitting the metal inside there. So there it is, guys. We know which one to put it in. Look at that. That is so good because mine are so dull. I was really hyped when I got these. So you know what? That might be this guy. Where we get our amber on the white one here. Hold on. Hold the phone, boys. We're on to something here. Oh, boys. Yo, come check these out.
Wow.
So we got but check out the blinker, okay?
Okay.
This is what I really wanted these for.
It's
not done yet, but I
like
testing
that.
it. Yeah.
AUXBEAM.
Yo.
Is there a code? Wife approved.
I started splicing in the blinker wire here. I went yellow to red, and then I had to do it twice because the first time I did it, I didn't get a good connection. So just make sure you guys really squeeze that in there and get a nice connection. On the second one, I went for the DRL, I went white to white, and that worked well. And then it was time to put it all back together with some electrical tape on it, clean it up, button it all back up, and take a look. We got it all back together, fully working. That looks way better than my halogen setup. Me being me, I'm an idiot. So we gotta deal with that. Now I'll turn it on. So this is my DRL. So I pull that out one pop. That looks freaking sick. These halogens don't have DRL, so that looks freaking awesome. That's definitely an upgrade. And now if I pull it out all the way, that is my low beams. Freaking beauty. So we have our DRL and low beams going, so everything's on. And you can see the halogen there. High beams down below for your foot. So now you see the middle's going. It's a freaking beamer. It's definitely a little brighter. than our halogen buddy over there. But like just that difference, like that looks so freaking good. We'll turn our high beam off and then we'll go down on the blinker. Now we should have our blinker going. There it is. Beautiful, guys. These are amazing. I would highly recommend. Like, look at this setup. It looks phenomenal, guys. Change the front end of the Bronco for sure. We're gonna quickly buzz through this side.
There's a reason they call me Carfleet the dog, because this video clip isn't even sped up, guys. This is just normal working speed for me. To the untrained eye, it looks like it's sped up, but it's not.
It's running great, guys. We got the DRLs on. I love it, guys. I love it so much. AUXBEAM, thank you so much for sending these. This is just transformed the look so much. It looks great. I got brighter lights and brighter turn signals, which is huge on this old rig. And just look at them sparkle, guys. Like, come on. Those look unfreaking real. No issues with how it looks on the Classic. I'm a Classic guy, but these are a must-have for your Classic vehicle for sure. So guys, here's my lights fully on at night-ish. Almost at night, not quite, but I have to put it away, tuck her back home for the time being. But look at that light display. Compared to before, it's just not even fair. The lights are amazing. Like, that's a lot of light there. Compared to before, it wouldn't even reach that far, legit. All right, guys, huge thanks to AUXBEAM. I really appreciate it. These lights are absolutely stunning, and I'm in love with them. I kind of restored the Bronco. Then I was like, okay, we'll do some tasteful mods. I don't want anything crazy. I love the Classic look, but they're just so practical. You get the LED lights, you get the turn signals. That's just huge for my Bronco. So I can actually see at night now, and people can see me when I want to turn, which is very important. Thank you guys so much for watching. Install is very easy, not bad at all. Just make sure you guys get some good connections on the splice. And if you guys want to buy these, check out my coupon code. I'll put it on screen. I would recommend. They're amazing. They changed the whole look of my Bronco. For an old vehicle, these are a must-have. So thank you guys so much. If you liked it, leave a like. If you want to continue following the Bronco build, make sure you guys subscribe, because we're starting to cruise it more. We're starting to do some more stuff. It still doesn't have reverse, so we do need to get to that at some point. More videos to come, guys. Thank you guys so much. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.